What the fuck's going on, everybody? It's Daniel from Go Alpha again. I just want to show you what we've been up to this week, calling out absolute bangers with our algorithm. I mean, come on. This day right here, we got 10:27 a.m. SPY $664 calls that went for 500%. And then this day right here, 10:49 in the morning, SPY $666 puts, another 500%. And then here, this trade, 11:45 in the morning, SPY $662 puts for 200%. It's absolutely ridiculous. Come over here. We got members making thousands and thousands of dollars. And if you don't believe me, just check the daily recaps. It's absolutely nuts. We got 500%, 537%. And then this trade right now, that's still open, up 200%. It's absolutely ridiculous. Join the Discord and stop missing out on this shit.